Sustainable engineering.
Military-grade solutions for Australian road problems.
Sustainable Engineering is a wholly owned Australian company that has a military-grade product, technologically in advance of any other product on the market.
PotHole Fix is a product that's manufactured cold, it's delivered cold, and it's installed cold.
The trials that we've done show that our product is permanent, and that's why we warranty it for a year.
The benefit of using PotHole Fix for councils is about the cold application. It means that we don't have the extra trucks, we don't require the extra manpower, and it can be done in a very short period of time. It can be done in the wet or dry, and that makes it unique in the marketplace.
Tested thoroughly in Australia, from places such as the Sydney Airport Authority, through to mines, through to councils.
One of those being Sydney Airport, where planes, trucks and cars have been driving over it. That fix has now been going strong for 18 months.
We've proven that an organisation can save up to 85%.
Even against a temporary solution, we become cheaper.
Because up until now, councils, everybody's refixing the same problem every month, every 2 months, every 3 months, depending on where it is. So this is the first time that there is a solution to this problem.
Sustainable engineering.